I'm at the Dollar Tree and I thought we'd kind of take a browse over the makeup section. Let's see what they have over here, guys. So here's what I'm noticing over here. The cuticle remover pusher. Then they have the Yes To mask. And like, wow, this whole wall is full of them. You have the tomato, charcoal tomato. What flavor is this one here? This is tomatoes also. This is the triple detoxifying charcoal mask. And then you have the grapefruit, the cucumber, and more tomato up there. Then you have this, guys. I think this is pretty neat. There's a 3-pack of nail polish. They have a lot of colors too. They have this one, this one, this one. Look at that. Then they have the 2-pack of these. They call ice. You know, I'm loving that color purple. Then they have this color purple over here too. Isn't that nice? That one. They have that one, and they have that one. Then they have the 2-pack of the sinful colors. Look at that. They have a whole bunch of those. Then they have these nails, the fashion nails. Aren't they pretty, guys? These are in the stiletto shape. Then they have the lash curler in multiple colors and the blender sponges. And then they have this gold mask. That's neat. I like this. You know why? Because they're bringing out all the mommy stuff. Okay, this is for exfoliating the feet. So those are foot masks. These would be great for a basket. Then they have the cucumber facial mask. That's really nice. And this is a foot mask over here. And here's another mask. This one is the charcoal one. Awesome. I like that. Then over here they have the Eye Magic. It's instant eyeshadow. Oh, I saw that before somewhere else. Then this is the eye roller. Tea extracts. And what are these, guys? This is another mask. It's called the gold mask. That's the nail polishes. Then you have the BB cream by Sassy and Chic. So then you have the collagen one. This is in the wrong place, but you have the collagen mask, then you have the cucumber facial mask. This one's pore refining. That's the collagen one. And then this one is the Medi Bio capsule mask. I don't think I've ever seen this one, guys. I think that one's new, and this one is new. The advanced hydrating. So this one is advanced brightening. And then this one over here is advanced firming. We could use that. Then you have the over here the mascaras, the priming mascara, volumizing mascaras, and then they have these little eyeshadow palettes. And so here they have the applicators. You have a 20-count applicator, and here, look, guys, they have nail polish and a lipstick combo. Then they have this. I think that's a liquid eyeliner. And here is the powder, the pressed powder. Then they have your lipsticks, the Wet n Wild lipsticks, and here's some more pressed powders. Those are Color Mates. And then they have the application brushes, and like I said, they have the lipstick and the nail polish. I think that's awesome. Then they have, what are these? Mascaras. And these are mascaras, as little tiny miniature ones, and here's some more liners. So here's some moisturizing lip gloss in the pink and the glitter, the coral color. And these are lipsticks, guys. Isn't that beautiful? That's a nice color. Let me see. This is a tinted scented one. This is lip gloss. Okay, here's some more eyeshadows. Here's some powder blush. What is this? Okay, this is liquid makeup right here. And then they have some applicator makeup brushes right down here. And then they have the makeup stick. Then they have some more highlighters right here. Bronzer right here, highlighter. And some eyeshadow. And down here, guys, they have the face primer. Yeah, these are all face primers. Okay, so it's correcting color. And then they have the loose eyeshadow. Then they have the lip scrub. Look at this, guys. They have lip scrub. I think that's new to this Dollar Tree. Then they have some more of the conceal stick, the face primer. And here they have the pod foot files. the blender brush here. Then you have these, the wedges. Then you have the nail files. And here the silicone application facial brush. And those come in colors. Here it is in gray. Then they have the foot file and the brush. Then down here you have the bags. Then down here you also have the nail polish removers and all of the colors of the nail polishes. These are all LA colors. Over here you have the Kiss gel. So that's pretty nice. And then they have the nail art pens. See them, guys? And then they have the super dry. I use this all the time. That's very good. Then they have the Wet n Wild colors. Then they have the nail art color nail polishes, and then some more of these double ice nail polishes, 2 in a pack. So over here with the Bolero products, you have the bath bombs, the little ones, the 3-pack. Then you have these. This also a 3-pack. That's vanilla sugar. This one is watermelon aloe. And what is this one? This one is jasmine orange blossom. And so here in this aisle, I'm noticing that they're bringing out the slippers again. So these are, you have 2 kinds. You have this kind, and then you have the open kind. Then you have the shoe liners. You have them in gray and this pink color or coral color and blue, purple. Then you have these socks, guys. These are new. You have them in that purple color, and then you have them in this pink and this blue and the orange. There's the pink. Then you have these, the shoe liners. So you have them in, there's the cat. I think this is a bear. And that's the whole row. And then these are the cats. No, yeah. And then this guy here. And then you have the piggy here. So, and then you have the fox, and this is the unicorn. Oh, look, these are French fries. Okay. And you have your scarves. So guys, thank you for taking a stroll with me through the Dollar Tree. I figured I'd look at all the ladies' items that they have. Haven't brought out too many things for Mother's Day, but they're starting to put stuff out. So I'll see you guys in another video.